I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. Shocking Foreigner's Guide to Southeast Asia Body Trends. Today, please sit down for this episode because I am talking about a topic that no one in Southeast Asia wants to talk about, but every foreigner whispers about privately. Which country in Southeast Asia actually has the fattest woman? Trust me, the answer will shock you. You think you know, but you probably don't. And before anyone gets emotional, this isn't body shaming. This is real talk about health, lifestyle, food culture, economics, women's daily habits, and how it affects foreigners dating in the region. So smash like, drop a comment, and let's go deep. Let's talk numbers. When you compare Southeast Asian countries, the typical stereotype is Thailand, slim woman, Vietnam, very slim, Cambodia and Laos, slim to average, Malaysia, mix, Indonesia, mix, Philippines, thick, curvy, and sometimes plus size. But official health data from multiple regional studies shows one shocking truth. Malaysia consistently ranks as the number one country in Southeast Asia for highest female obesity rates. Yes, Malaysia, not the Philippines, not Indonesia, not Thailand, not Vietnam. It's Malaysia by a mile. Women thus have the highest percentage of overweight and obese adults in the entire region. Foreigners living in Malaysia openly talk about this, but rarely on camera. Today I'm going all the way in. Let me break it down. 1. The food culture is too good. Malaysia has nasi lemak, roti canai, Milo dinosaur, laksa, tea tarik. These foods are famous, but they are also sugar bombs and oil explosions. Malaysia loves sweet drinks, fried foods, late night eating, heavy sauces, even breakfast is like dessert. 2. High income equals a high eating culture. Compared to neighbors, Malaysia has more malls, restaurants, fast food chains, grab food options. Eating out is a daily lifestyle. 3. Low exercise culture. Malaysia consistently reports low participation in gyms, jogging, sports, daily walking. Cars dominate everything. 4. Genetic factors. Malay women have naturally rounder, softer body structures. Combine that with lifestyle, weights go up fast. Now, here is where foreigners get confused. Many foreigners swear Filipinas are the chubbiest, but that's not accurate. Filipinas are curvy, soft-bodied, naturally round faces, but the overall obesity level is lower than Malaysia and even slightly lower than Brunei or Indonesia. Why foreigners think Filipinas are heavier? Many Filipinas don't exercise, rice 3 times a day, bread and sugar and soft drinks, sitting lifestyle, post-pregnancy weight gain, age gap relationships where women feel no pressure to stay slim. Statistically speaking, the Philippines is not number one, not even close. How do Vietnam and Thailand compare? Vietnam has the slimmest woman in Southeast Asia because of constant walking, low sugar intake, portion control, high vegetable diet. Foreigners moving there always comment, everybody here is tiny. Thailand. Thailand ranks higher than Vietnam but still much lower than Malaysia. Thai women care about beauty, use gyms, watch diets, walk a lot, follow Korean beauty influence. Thailand is a top country for slim, toned women. Indonesia and Brunei. These two countries also have higher obesity rates. Indonesia. Large population and heavy rise as fried food culture equal raising female with issues. Brunei, high income plus sedentary lifestyle equals shockingly high obesity rates, almost tied with Malaysia. Let's talk about what foreign men really say. Foreigners often describe Malaysia as bigger women, curvier girls, difficult to find slim partners, women gain weight fast after marriage, women ate heavy portions. Meanwhile, Vietnam gets described as the land of thin women. Almost every woman is lightweight. Slim body culture. Thailand gets fitness focused culture. Women stay in shape. More beauty pressure. Philippines, curvy, soft bodied, cute but not physically active. Can gain weight quickly if not careful. Why this matters for foreigners dating in the area? This isn't about judging women. It's about being honest about dating expectations and lifestyle differences. If you are a foreigner and you love slim petite women, Vietnam or Thailand, curvy women, Philippines very curvy, plus big women, Malaysia or Brunei, balance mix Indonesia. Knowing the region avoids disappointment. Obesity is a medical reality. Women in Malaysia and Brunei face the highest risk of diabetes, hypertension, stroke, joint issues, early pregnancy complications. Foreigners who plan long-term relationships must consider health. So now you know, Malaysia has the fattest women in Southeast Asia. Vietnam and Thailand have the slimmest. Philippines sits in the middle but more on the curvy side. No hate, no shame, just real talk about what you might expect when dating across the region. If you enjoy this brutally honest breakdown, like the video, subscribe, and comment. Which country should I rate next? And I'll see you on the next video. Stay smart, stay safe, stay aware. See you next episode. I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom.